in case you're ever wondering how to properly install the head or transmitter of a photo eye, this is how you do it. Whoever did this job needs a pat on the back. They've got the photo eye mounted to a separate post from the gate operator, so you don't have to worry about the gate operator shaking or vibrating the photo eye. And this is one of the long-time UL325 supported photo eyes, the Omron. I forgot what it is. It's like the OM4X. I'll put it right here in the description so you know the model number. But that is the way you do it. You take a conduit and pull it all the way up into the bottom, and the bottom of this actually has a 3/4 inch fitting, I believe. 3/4 inch fitting, and you protect the wire the whole way, and then you mount it separately from the hinge post or the guide post, whatever kind of gate operator that you've got. And here's how you mount the reflector. The reflector is mounted to something solid, obviously a brick column, and always use this hood. And these hood protect it from a couple of things. Sunlight actually getting into the reflector and interfering with the IR beam. Now, I was told that that doesn't happen, but I've actually seen it happen. So keep that in mind. Use these hoods. It protects the reflector and helps prevent dust and debris from collecting on the reflector. It doesn't obviously absolutely prevent it, but it helps that. It also protects the reflector. And then when you're mounting these, when you screw these in, make sure you drill out this hole just a little bit on the reflector, so when you're screwing it in, it's not twisting the reflector as well, possibly cracking the reflective part on the back. And one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to over tweak these. If you screw this in and you start to hear it crack, that's a bad thing. You've started to crack the reflector, the plastic part, and moisture can get in there, and when it does, it can interfere and deteriorate with the reflective part of the reflector. So, and when you're doing a photo eye as well too, use these 3-inch reflectors. Do not use the 2-inch little square ones that come with some photo eyes. It does a couple of things. One, it doesn't give you as much variance from left to right for your beam, but the other thing is, and specifically with this Omron, it mentions it in the manual, is it shortens the range that you can have. And I believe when you go from a 2-inch square on the reflector part to this 3-inch round, you actually get an extra 10 feet out of the Omron.